मी आशिष शिंदे. आपण मागच्या लेक्चर्समध्ये 12वी सायन्स पेपर फर्स्ट संपूर्ण डेफिनेशन बघितले की ज्या ज्या बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आता पेपर सेकंड 12वी सायन्स डेफिनेशन बघूया की जे आपल्या बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. त्यातल्या ज्या पहिली जी डेफिनेशन आहे ती आहे बॅक्टेरिया. आता बॅक्टेरियाची काय डेफिनेशन आहे? बॅक्टेरिया इज डिफाइंड ॲज microscopic unicellular like microorganism without chlorophyll and usually multiple by binary fusion. आता next definition आहे mastitis. Mastitis, it is an inflammation of udder. आता combined next definition sharing of wool. Sharing of wool is defined as removal of wool quickly, completely, and with minimum discomfort to ship and operator. It's called as sharing of wool. Next definition, shrinkage. Shrinkage is defined as the difference in amount of clean wool and grease flesh weight. It's called as shrinkage. Next definition, milk shaped area. Is defined as it is a geographical area from which static degree received in fluid milk supply. It's called as milk shade area. Next definition, detergent. It is the substance capable to assist cleaning and work of cleaning process. It's called as detergent. Next definition is cleaning. Cleaning is the process removal of soil from surface of dairy equipment. It's called as cleaning. Next definition, sweet curdling. Sweet curdling is defined as milk being coagulated without fermentation or action of acid. It's called as sweet curdling. Next definition, alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation is defined as the bacteria act on the different constituents of milk and product. Alcohol in milk and milk product, their types of fermentation is called as alcoholic fermentation. या सर्व डेफिनेशन पेपर सेकंडच्या आहे 12वी सायन्स, ज्या आपल्याला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला कामात येतील. जर आपण मागच्या प्रश्नपत्रिकेचं विश्लेषण केलं की वारंवार व्याख्या रिपीटेड होत असतात, त्यामुळे तुम्ही जर या व्याख्या जर संपूर्ण वाचल्या तर नक्कीच तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला फायदा होईल. थँक्यू.